A quiet shift is taking place in the world of compact cinema cameras. Subtle, almost invisible at first glance, but with growing momentum. While there's no dramatic countdown or flashy teaser just yet, the filmmaking community is buzzing with anticipation. At the center of these whispers is what many believe could be the highly awaited successor to a beloved portable workhorse, a model rumored to be the next evolution in compact digital cinematography. The next chapter in Sony's compact cinema. Lineup may be just around the corner, and if recent rumors hold weight, it's not merely a refresh, but a leap forward, a camera that blends cutting-edge innovation with filmmaker-friendly practicality. Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Let's explore what could be coming next. The original model, launched back in early 2021, set a new benchmark for compact filmmaking tools. Combining a full-frame sensor with a fan-assisted body and professional audio inputs, it catered to a diverse range of creators, from indie filmmakers and wedding shooters to content creators and solo documentarians. Its small form factor didn't compromise power, and many professionals loved its hybrid versatility. However, like any tool, it wasn't perfect. Over time, users began hoping for key upgrades: better resolution, more robust autofocus, and improved thermal handling, to name just a few. Fast forward 3 years, and the camera landscape has shifted dramatically. We've seen mirrorless models incorporate AI-driven features, more advanced sensors, and high-end processors. Technology that was once exclusive to flagship cameras has started trickling down into smaller bodies. Now, all signs point to an upcoming camera that might combine the best of these advancements, a model that brings higher performance and deeper intelligence, all while retaining portability and ruggedness. One of the most talked about improvements centers on the sensor. Early speculation suggests that the new model may ditch the older 12-MP sensor for a high-resolution, back-illuminated sensor, possibly between 26 and 30 megapixels. This increase wouldn't just benefit stills. It could allow for 6K or even 7K sensor readouts, enabling oversampled 4K footage with crisper detail and reduced aliasing. That means sharper visuals, more editing flexibility, and higher image fidelity, even for those shooting in tight post-production timelines. Performance-wise, this rumored camera may take things to a whole new level. Industry chatter points toward the integration of dual processors, the same kind used in high-end models. This would allow for faster menu navigation, improved rolling shutter performance, and powerful internal recording options like 4K at 120 FPS in 10-bit 4.22. For filmmakers working with fast motion or dramatic slow-motion sequences, this could be a game changer, and with better thermal control, high frame rate recording won't come at the cost of overheating. But processing power is just part of the equation. AI is rapidly becoming a core feature in modern cameras, and this upcoming model may follow that trend with a dedicated AI processor. Unlike traditional systems that rely on basic contrast and phase detection, an AI chip could enable real-time human pose estimation, animal and vehicle tracking, and eye autofocus that never misses, even in low-light or fast-paced environments. With over 700 autofocus points potentially on board, precision could reach new heights, making it ideal for run-and-gun filmmakers. In terms of codecs, early information suggests an extremely versatile set of options. Filmmakers might be able to record internally using advanced codecs like All-Intra and H.265 with data rates reaching 600 Mbps. Externally, a full-size HDMI port could allow for 16-bit RAW output, perfect for those who want maximum flexibility in post-production. Combined with timecode support and professional-grade audio input through a detachable XLR handle, this camera could slide seamlessly into professional workflows. Thermal management, often a weak point in compact cameras, is also expected to improve significantly. Some reports point to a vapor chamber cooling system or a redesigned heat pipe layout that could support continuous 4K 120 FPS recording, even in high temperatures. This means no more worrying about camera shutdowns during long event coverage or interviews on hot days. Add in fan control and customizable overheating thresholds, and you've got a machine built for endurance. On the usability front, the screen could see an upgrade to a 3.2-inch LCD with higher brightness, HDR preview, and a full suite of monitoring tools. Features like false color, focus map, RGB parade, and custom LUT preview may be baked directly into the display, reducing the need for external monitors and giving creators a pro-level view on set. That's a huge plus for solo operators or creators. Working in fast-paced environments, storage should remain flexible, with dual card slots supporting both CFexpress Type-A and SD-UHS-2. This allows for everything from backup recording to long-format proxy workflows. Connectivity is likely to be robust as well, with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports supporting high-speed transfers, USB power delivery, and FTP uploads. Wireless features like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 might also expand remote monitoring and app-based camera control, creating a more mobile-friendly shooting experience. And here's where it gets real. Imagine shooting a wedding in bright daylight, wrapping up the reception, and then racing to a downtown club to film a music video, all with a single camera rig. The upgraded sensor delivers clean cinematic footage. Autofocus keeps track of your fast-moving subject. You don't worry about overheating or battery life. The audio is rich, the monitoring tools are accurate, and you've captured everything without dragging along a heavy rig. This isn't just a dream workflow. It could soon be reality. Of course, competition in the compact cinema camera space is heating up. Panasonic is pushing ahead with ProRes and SSD support, Canon is developing its RF ecosystem, and Blackmagic continues to offer internal RAW at aggressive price points. To remain dominant, the next iteration of this compact cinema camera needs to be more than just powerful. It must be agile, intuitive, and reliable in the field. If the rumors are true, a late 2025 or early 2026 launch could be in sight. No flashy campaign, just quiet innovation, the kind that filmmakers notice. A reminder that cinema-grade storytelling doesn't need to be tethered to bulky gear. It can fit in your backpack, ready to shoot whenever and wherever inspiration strikes.